This is a alarm clock. The problem is this: no alarm. Like right now is 12 o'clock. I try to adjust. You see, you can see the tick sound, but there's no alarm at all. So what I'm going to do now is I want to replace this clock movement kit. Yeah, let's go. I show you how to replace it. Step number one: remove the battery first. Step number two: we need to remove this transparent front cover. So I just use pen knife, okay, side by side, okay, slowly pull out, okay, from that side and another side. Yeah, so we have to pull out few side of this, then later we can remove this front cover. Okay, now we just use our hand to pull out this transparent cover. From here, then we only can remove the needle. Later, I'm going to remove 4 needle, 4 hands, one by one. Okay, how to remove it? I just use my fingernail. Okay, so first one to pull out is the second needle. Okay, you just try to pull up. Okay, carefully. Okay, this is the second hand, and the second one is a minute needle, minute hand. Okay, they place in sequence. Then the third one is hour needle. Is our hand, hours hand. Okay. Number four one is alarm needle. Is alarm hand. Okay. All needles removed. Now it's time to remove 4 screw. Okay, at the back. Now we open up the cover. Okay, you can see this clock movement kit. Before we unscrew 2 screw for this clock movement kit, we have to remove these 2 wire that connect to this battery holder. This is the one for the positive and the negative. Two screw remove, then easy for us to take up this clock movement kit. Here's the kit. This 2 screw is longer, so don't confuse and make mistake. Double check again. Is it I bought the correct one? Yeah, it's correct one. Okay, now I want to put a battery to make sure that alarm is working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, now I can fix up to this alarm clock. Okay, so make sure facing the right position. Okay, yeah, I put on this battery wire. Okay, and then now I fix these 2 screw. Okay, the long screw. Once the clock movement kit is screwed and seated properly, then only we can fix these all needles. All needles is have to fix in follow the sequence. So the first one is the alarm hand, alarm needle. Okay, then make sure you facing which side. Okay, don't put the wrong side. Okay, this is the side we're going to put in. Now what we do is we make it standard to 12 o'clock or fixed to 12 o'clock. We just push in the needle gently and slowly and carefully. You can hear the click sound. Now come to this mini needle. Mini needle is the second one. Or we just set it to 12 o'clock position. Yeah, you can hear the click sound. Okay, when you fix it. Now come to our needles, ours needle or ours hand. Okay, same position. Push in. Now is the last needle. It is a second hand. Okay, this is any position will do. Okay, so one we fix it, then we try to put in the battery to test. Yeah, okay, almost done. Now close the cover, put on for all screws. Okay, screw all. Okay, then we put on this transparent cover. Okay, mission done.